200 questions and answers based on your requirements. Have you got a pencil?
Yes, I have got a pencil.
Has she got a pet?
Yes, she has got a cat.
Have they got a car?
No, they haven't got a car.
Have we got enough food?
Yes, we have got enough food.
Has he got a computer?
No, he hasn't got one.
Have you got a brother?
Yes, I have got a younger brother.
Has she got a house in the city?
Yes, she has got a house there.
Have they got a garden?
Yes, they have got a big garden.
Have you got an idea?
No, I haven't got any idea.
Has he got a phone?
Yes, he has got a new phone.
Have we got time to play?
Yes, we have got time.
Have they got homework?
No, they haven't got homework today.
Has the school got a library?
Yes, it has got a big library.
Have you got a bag?
Yes, I have got a red bag.
Has she got glasses?
No, she hasn't got glasses.
Have I got the right answer?
Yes, you have got it right.
Has he got a watch?
No, he hasn't got one.
Have we got tickets?
Yes, we have got tickets for the movie.
Have they got a dog?
No, they haven't got a pet.
Has she got a sister?
Yes, she has got an older sister.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Is he tired?
No, he is not tired.
Are they at school?
Yes, they are at school.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is a teacher.
Am I late?
No, you are on time.
Are we ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Is the cat hungry?
Yes, it is hungry.
Are you at home?
No, I am at work.
Is the weather nice?
Yes, it is sunny.
Are they friends?
Yes, they are best friends.
Is it cold outside?
No, it is warm.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Is he from England?
Yes, he is from London.
Are we on the right bus?
Yes, we are.
Is she at the park?
No, she is at the mall.
Am I correct?
Yes, you are correct.
Are they at the party?
No, they are at home.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining now.
Are you ready for dinner?
Yes, I am ready.
Is the book interesting?
Yes, it is very interesting.
What do you like?
I like pizza.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
Why do you study English?
because I want to travel.
What does he do?
He works in a bank.
Where does she work?
She works at a hospital.
Who teaches your class?
Mr. Brown teaches us.
When do they play football?
They play on Saturdays.
Why do you laugh?
Because the joke is funny.
What does she like to eat?
She likes pasta.
Where do you buy books?
I buy them online.
Who helps you with homework?
My dad helps me.
When do you go shopping?
I go on Sundays.
Why does he look sad?
Because he lost his toy.
What do you drink for breakfast?
I drink milk.
Where do they meet?
They meet at the cafe.
Who calls you every day?
My grandma calls me.
When do you visit your friends?
I visit them in the afternoon.
Why do they dance?
Because they are happy.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the park.
Who did you talk to?
I talked to my friend, Sarah.
When did you start learning English?
I started last year.
Why did they leave early?
Because they had an appointment.
What did she buy at the shop?
She bought some fruits.
Where did he find his keys?
He found them on the table.
Who did you see at the party?
I saw my cousins.
When did the movie end?
It ended at 10 p.m.
Why did you cry?
because I was sad.
What did they play in the park?
They played football.
Where did she put the book?
She put it on the shelf.
Who helped you with your homework?
My brother helped me.
When did the train arrive?
It arrived at 6 p.m.
Why did he go home?
Because he was tired.
What did you write in your notebook?
I wrote a story.
Where did they travel last summer?
They traveled to Spain.
Who opened the door?
My sister opened it.
When did you visit your grandparents?
I visited them last weekend.
Why did she laugh?
Because the joke was funny.
What were you doing at 8 p.m.?
I was watching TV.
Where were they going?
They were going to the park.
Who was cooking dinner?
My mom was cooking.
When was he playing the guitar?
He was playing it in the evening.
Why were you crying?
Because I hurt my knee.
What was she reading?
She was reading a book.
Where was the dog sleeping?
It was sleeping under the table.
Who were they talking to?
They were talking to their teacher.
When were you writing your essay?
I was writing it in the morning.
Why was the baby smiling?
Because it saw a toy.
What were you drinking?
I was drinking orange juice.
Where was he working?
He was working in the garden.
Who was calling you?
My dad was calling me.
When were they studying?
They were studying at night.
Why was she shouting?
Because she was scared.
What were they playing?
They were playing chess.
Where was the bird flying?
It was flying in the sky.
Who was helping you?
My friend was helping me.
When was it raining?
It was raining in the afternoon.
Why were you laughing?
Because the movie was funny.
What are you doing?
I am drawing a picture.
Where are they going?
They are going to the market.
Who is calling you?
My friend is calling me.
When are we leaving?
We are leaving in 10 minutes.
Why is he crying?
Because he lost his toy.
What is she eating?
She is eating an apple.
Where is the cat hiding?
It is hiding under the bed.
Who is teaching the class?
Mrs. White is teaching the class.
When are they arriving?
They are arriving tomorrow.
Why are you smiling?
Because I am happy.
What are they playing?
They are playing basketball.
Where are you sitting?
I am sitting near the window.
Who is helping you?
My sister is helping me.
When is the bus coming?
It is coming in 5 minutes.
Why is she running?
Because she is late.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a red dress.
Where is he working?
He is working in the office.
Who is waiting outside?
My dad is waiting outside.
When are you finishing your homework?
I am finishing it now.
Why is the baby sleeping?
Because it is tired.
What have you done today?
I have finished my homework.
Where have you been?
I have been to the supermarket.
Who has eaten the cake?
My brother has eaten it.
When have you seen this movie?
I have seen it last week.
Why have they left early?
Because they had to catch the train.
What has she bought?
She has bought a new dress.
Where have they traveled?
They have traveled to France.
Who has broken the vase?
The cat has broken it.
When have you cleaned your room?
I have cleaned it this morning.
Why have you called me?
I have called to ask a question.
What has he written?
He has written a poem.
Where have you left your bag?
I have left it in the car.
Who has helped you?
My mom has helped me.
When have they arrived?
They have arrived just now.
Why has she gone home?
Because she isn't feeling well.
What have you learned in class?
I have learned new words.
Where has he put the book?
He has put it on the table.
Who has called you?
My teacher has called me.
When have they started the game?
They have started 10 minutes ago.
Why have you stayed here?
Because I am waiting for my friend.
What had you done before dinner?
I had finished my homework.
Where had you gone?
I had gone to the library.
Who had taken the book?
My sister had taken it.
When had he arrived?
He had arrived before noon.